Hello there and welcome to your walk around video of the BMW 420d GRAN Coupe here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a little walk around and talk you through some of the options and features we have on this stunning carbon Schwartz metallic GRAN Coupe. Starting of course with the outside, you have the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house here. We have also got the stunning 19-inch LA M Sport alloys, which are in the original diamond cut finish. Behind the stunning 19-inch alloys we have the M Sport brake package, which is the much larger brakes front and rear. We also have BMW's look very nice Xenon and Angel Eye headlamps, which you can see in operation there. Down the side we have got the M Performance stickers. I'll give you another look at the stunning 19-inch alloys. Inside the vehicle we have the red Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. We have also got the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. We've also got the power fold mirror function. And we've also got a few other nice extras which we'll get to very shortly. We've also got privacy glass on the rear windows. Inside the rear, it's much like the rest of the car, all very nice, clean and tidy. ISOFIX ready of course. Moving around to the back where you'll find the gloss black rear boot spoiler and satin rear diffuser. This particular vehicle has the rear reversing camera, power operated tailgate, which comes as standard on the GRAN Coupe range. Huge boot space, and the seats do also fold as well for that extra bit of room if it is required. The carbon Schwartz metallic is a very nice colour. It often looks blue and black in certain lights. It's a colour they've carried over from BMWs of a while back. It originally featured on the BMW E46 M3. Under our lights it will look very dark blue, however under certain lights it will look black. I think it works particularly well with the red Dakota leather. We've also got the Grand Piano black trim inserts to match the lovely red leather. Okay, so I'll get inside and I'll talk to you and show you some of the interior options and features we have. Starting of which we have the electric lumbar adjustment on the front seats, the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. It also has the 8-speed sport gearbox with the paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter, volume controls, and of course it has the voice activation feature. There is a picture of the reversing camera. It also has BMW's superb professional wide navigation and media. So I'll show you the nav screen. This is the facelifted iDrive. So a few different features and a different layout to the previous version. Bluetooth communications and media, and of course DAB and a wide range of multimedia inputs. The heated seats, which we've covered. Dual climate control. The vehicle itself is covered just a little over 92,000. However, it does have full BMW service history to back that up. If you're going to vehicle information, you'll see that everything is in the green and it's not due an engine oil change for 17,000 miles. And if you're going to vehicle history, see that it's got the 2 service stamps from BMW there, and we do also have some service data records on paper. Okay, so that's pretty much going to sum up the video for the 4 Series GRAN Coupe. We do hope you found the video useful, and we do hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care and goodbye.